Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the owner of Houston Window Experts. Thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Windsor product line, Windsor Windows, based out of West Des Moines, Iowa. And just before we get started though, I want to let you know that if you're looking for a great window company near you, you can visit jeffslist.com and enter in your information. We may know somebody in your area that does a great job of installing windows and doors, and if that's helpful, then great. Okay, so Windsor, have you ever heard of Windsor? Well, Windsor's like a 70-year-old window company. I mentioned they were based out of Des Moines. They're actually about a 45-minute drive from Pella, Iowa. You've heard of Pella, right? Pella Windows and Doors, yeah. Probably one of the best recognized brands in the world. Windsor's not so well recognized, but they are actually a great window company. They're owned by a company called Woodgrain. Woodgrain is $1 billion a year company, and they bought this company. And we'll get into that in just a minute because they have a good impact on this story. So they have vinyl windows. They have a composite window, which I don't carry. It's just not really a good fit for what we're doing. And then they also have wood windows that have an aluminum exterior on them. So let's start with the vinyl. And the vinyl, they pretty much have two product lines. Let me start by telling you what the similarities are. Similarities are the glass. Across the entire product line for Windsor, they're using cardinal glass, which if you've watched my glass video, actually I'll put a link to it right here, about low ease and glass, you'll see that the best glass out there is made by Cardinal. You'll find that in Anderson and Pella and Marvin and Windsor. Your top tier qualities are using that. So the glass across all the product lines is going to be the same. So that's what's good about it. And also in their vinyl, I call it batter, right? Like the stuff that's in the vinyl, the important ingredients that make one vinyl better than another. That's going to be across their whole platform on the vinyl. So the only real main differences are somewhat the look of things and then some of the options that are available. So let's start right here with this product. This is called Next Dimension Vinyl, and this is what they call their classic, and I can understand why. It's a very classic looking window. Now I'll come back to that. This is what they call their Pro Series. It's a more contemporary looking window, and you can see that it has a narrower profile here. So it's narrower, and this works really good in homes like we have a lot of them in Houston, where you have single pane aluminum windows, and those aluminum frames are really narrow. And the problem with some vinyl window companies is they make their frame so chunky, so wide, right, that you end up losing a lot of glass and it just doesn't look good. So they make this product for a narrower profile. They make this product for a more traditional look on a house. So let's say you have wood windows now and you wanted to go back with vinyl instead. You could go back with a vinyl window in this style and it would actually look a lot like a wood window. And I'll get to that in just a minute when we look at the wood window. But if you notice on here, it actually has these grids. These are called SDLs, simulated divided light, where the grid sits on the surface and it really looks attractive. It looks very realistic. So remember, behind this is just one double pane sandwich of glass. And so these are not structural. These are not separated pieces of glass. It's just, these are for cosmetic reasons. You can get them on here on the surface. On this one, you can only get them between the glass. Some people think that's a positive because it makes it easier to clean the windows. Some people like this better because from the street it looks more realistic. So that's the differences there. Also, another difference between this product and the other one is that on this product it actually has a tilt feature. So I can tilt the window in. If this window broke, because it'd be under warranty if you buy the glass breakage replacement option. If this broke, it's real easy, right? We just pop this out, take it out, drop another one in. In fact, driving to your house takes longer than swapping out a broken window. So I like that about it, that it's modular in that sense. Now this one doesn't do that because in order to achieve this narrower profile, it doesn't have a tilt feature. This goes inside of a pocket here instead. This is called a side load. Now this can be removed, right? We know how to do it. We can take it out if we had to replace that, and we can replace the glass on the top by removing some glazing beads. But this does sit inside of here instead of clearing the frame. So since it doesn't have to clear the frame to tilt in, now you get to have a narrower profile down here than you would on that window. So this is more about what do you need for your house, right? Neither one of these is wrong. Neither one of these is right. The main difference also, though, just so you can be aware, is if you're just looking for a white or a tan or a clay window, this is all that comes in. If you wanted a two-tone window or you wanted a custom color or you wanted like a black window, they have like 7 standard colors for this, then you have to step up to this. I like to use car analogies, right? Like there's some things that you cannot get in a Camry, Toyota Camry, but you can get them in a Lexus. right? Same platform, same company, same quality, but they make you spend more money to get some of the nicer things. And that's kind of what happens here. So lots of beautiful colors, great looking windows. And by the way, this black window thing is really popular right now. And I've got a video, and we'll put a little link to it right here, about the black window trend. And if that's of interest to you, I think it'd be worth you taking a few minutes to watch that, because I cover this window and some other great products as well that can give you that look if that's what you want. Finally, on the vinyl line, I want to make sure that you understand they not only make operable windows like this, they also make fixed windows, they make radius windows, they make trapezoid windows, they also make casement windows, you know, the kind that you crank out and it swings out like that. So a lot of great options here, and I think you can find a window from Windsor in the vinyl category that is going to suit your needs. Now, if you'll back up, I'm going to walk over this way, and I want to talk to you about really their flagship product. Oh, by the way, we sell Pella, we sell Marvin. We have over a dozen brands of windows to choose from. And we've got some great videos on these other products as well. You can check those out. But this is their wood interior, aluminum exterior window. So you're like, well, Jeff, why? What does that matter? Well, because wood, especially in Houston, right, it just does not hold up. We get over 50 inches of rain here. It stays humid all the time. You get the sprinklers maybe hitting the windows on the front of the house, right? And they don't dry out very good if you're in the shade, like in the woodlands where we have a lot of trees. And so wood will rot. I mean, wood windows will last 10 to 15 years at the most in this area because we're so wet. So what do you do to protect the wood? Because maybe you want wood on the inside for the purposes of staining or painting or just the warmth and beauty of wood. But you don't want it to rot. Well, they put an aluminum exterior, okay, and then on the inside is the wood. So those two are married together to give you the protection against the elements, but the beauty of wood. I've got a little corner cutaway of this, so I can show you just exactly how that works. So this is the outside of the window, okay, and then this is the inside of the window. And you can see here how this part is all wood, but then this part is this really heavy gauge, super thick, strong aluminum. So outside's well protected, the inside is wood. Now it comes in about 3 different wood options, and you can have them like pre-painted from the factory in a couple of different colors, like white and a kind of a grayish color. Or we can get them primed from the factory, or we can get them totally unfinished like this is, so they can be stained to match a particular color you have. While I'm talking about this, remember I mentioned to you that they're owned by a company called Wood Grain? Wood Grain actually has in Los Angeles, Chile or Brazil? Chile. In Los Angeles, Chile, they have an agreement there that they've had a long-standing agreement where they buy a lot of old world, old age, mature wood, lumber. And of course they're using, you know, all the things you'd want them to do, replanting trees, et cetera, for everyone to take down. I think it's 4 to 1. But the difference between them getting this old growth versus what you see in a lot of other brands, which is a younger growth product, is a younger growth wood does not have the same maturity, doesn't have the same density, which means it doesn't have the same strength to it. And also, when you have humid climates like we do here, it tends to expand and contract. That's why if you've ever had wood windows, you notice sometimes they're easier to open, or a front door that's made out of wood, right? You get a lot of moisture in the air, a lot of rain, that door swells, it's hard to open and close. So when you have a tighter wood grain like this, you're going to actually have a more a stronger, harder wood that does less expanding and contracting. And you can see that by looking in here at these grains. You can see just how tight the grain is on this. Look right here. Look at the grain on this, how tight that is. Go look at some other window brands. You'll see that it's much softer than this. It doesn't look nearly as tight. Look at those vertical grains on there. Look at the vertical grain on there. So that's the benefit of having a partner, an owner, that actually is in the wood business. In fact, if you've been to Home Depot or Lowe's, you've seen some wood grain products on their shelves. So what they do, since they own this wood window company, is when they harvest trees, they take the best part of the tree and give it to Windsor to make windows with. All the other stuff goes into 2x4s, it goes into plywood decking, it goes into bedding for dogs, you know, those dog beds you buy, that's where a lot of this stuff goes into. Do you have a Traeger? Wood pellet on a grill, that's where it goes into. So you look at this window and you say, well, Jeff, that looks really great, but I want you to stand right here and check this out. So you see this window, okay? Remember I showed you that vinyl window earlier? Like, take a look across the two. Do you see how this window looks almost identical to this one? Now, it's not the same, right? It's not wood. It's vinyl on the inside. But see how they make a partner to this? And here's why that's really important. If you're trying to find a way to be more budget friendly, you can say, okay, in the common areas, downstairs, the living room, the dining room, those places like that, You could use this product of theirs that's a little more costly, but then in the other parts of the house, maybe at the back of the house or the side of the house or over the garage or something, you could use that. It still looks the same, right? But it's going to save you quite a bit of money on the budget because it's not an aluminum and a wood product. Now, look at this. We did this window on purpose in a two-tone, right? We mixed the frame white and we made the interior black, and you can pick any of their colors to do that. But the reason we did it was like once this goes up against your house and all your trims around it, you get this really narrow profile. So if you like that contemporary look, you're going to get a nice narrow profile appearance out of a true wood window. And that's really cool. Look over here. You can see how they have wood grids on the interior, okay, and then they have the aluminum grids on the outside. This window also does tilt. You can see these tilt latches on it. And it's a double hung, meaning that the top and the bottom both open. So if you like that option, we can do that as well. And both of these tilt in. So it's a beautiful window. It does a great job, and it has really good ratings as well. And what I like about it is that it's part of a bigger family of products, and we can mix and match and try to create for you whatever you need. This comes in over 50 colors, and it also can be made in a custom color. So we can give them your swatches. They'll make a sample for us, or say a Sherwin-Williams or a Benjamin Moore number. They'll make that for us. They'll send it to us for approval, and then they can use that custom color on their vinyl product or on their aluminum product. They do that just for you. Of course, there's a setup fee, and it costs a little more money, but if that's important to you, I'm so glad that they have that customization available. So that's the double hung window. Now look at this. I like this. This is made in the same format as the other one, right? It's two-tone. I put a little bit different grid on this one just so you could see some different options. But this is actually a casement window, meaning that this window is the kind you crank and it swings out like that, like a refrigerator door. Now, this happens to be a fixed casement, meaning it doesn't open. And here's what I like about that. Let's say you had 3 of these across the front of your house, right? You could have 1 that opens and 2 that don't. So they still look the same, but only one's operable. And what a lot of homeowners tell me they like about doing fixed casements across the front of their house, especially the front, right, is because from the street, now you see this and it doesn't have this bar. It's not operable like this one is. So it has less visual interruption, okay, see the difference? But also, people who are thinking about security, they know that most people think about breaking into a window like this, but they're not sure if that window opens, and so they tend to skip a fixed window. Typically, fixed windows are not the ones that you get broken into. It's usually an operable window. So it helps with providing some more security because it looks less attractive to someone who's wanting to break in. Now, one other point I got to make about Windsor, because this is something that it's not something everyone can do, but they can. This is a radius casement window. It has a radius to it. So it actually is curved versus just being a rectangular window. Most window companies, when you want a radius window and you want it to be a casement, they'll put an actual big divider bar here. The top portion will be your radius window, and then the bottom portion will be rectangular, because a lot of companies cannot make a curved window sash that will crank open. So they split it into 2 things. They make a rectangular bottom, and then they put the arch on top. Can you imagine what a visual interruption that would be if right here we had a big wide bar and then you had a top and a bottom? Now they can do that. If that's important to you and you want this bar across the middle, because maybe it's part of your design elements and it fits somewhere else on your house, it's not that they can't do it, but very few companies, especially at this price point, because this is a great price point product, they can't make that. So I thought I'd point that out to you. Next window in line here, this is a fixed double hung window. So you say, well, Jeff, what? Why is that important? So the first one I showed you over there was double hung, right? And if you notice, I want to point this out to you. Look over here. How this has a sloped sill. This is an 8-degree sloped sill. So when water runs down the window, it slopes away and it sheds to the ground. That's a traditional looking double hung window. I mean, all the way back into the 1800s, that's how they built them. So if you're going to have a window that doesn't operate, right, because not all the windows in your house need to operate, but you want it to look like that double hung window, then we can have it either as a picture window, which is this, or you can have it as there will be a bar across here so it looks like that one does, but it doesn't operate. But the important thing is, from the outside, or when you go and take a closer look at it, they're all the same. If you notice here, this also has the slope sill. Just like that operable window has a slope sill, so does this, even though it doesn't operate. So it's important for all of your windows. If you're a little OCD like me, you're gonna want them all to be just perfect, just right, and this helps you get there. They've even gone so far, and I like this. Check out down here this little weather stripping. See that right there? That is actually a fake weather stripping But the reason they put it there is because you have weather stripping on the operable one. And if you're standing there looking at the two of them, you'd want that to not be missing that component. If it was missing it, it might catch your eye. So internal grids, while we're here, let me show you on the interior. See, this has like a smaller flat grid to it. And that's one style of the inside. And then here's another one of their windows in a different color, okay? And you can see here that this is a wider interior flat grid, okay? And then they make a whole bunch more. Let me show you this. Look at all of these grid options. I mean, there are a lot of grid options. So here's your outside ones. Here's your inside ones. These are all made out of a powder coat finish on the outside, okay? It's a 2604 powder coat finish. They also make a 2605. Just Google that, it'll explain it to you. But what they're saying is if you get the 2604, they're gonna give you a 20-year warranty on this finish. If you get the 2605, they're gonna give you a 30-year warranty on this finish. Think about never having to paint your windows again, right? Wouldn't that be awesome? Well, this is the kind of product and the kind of quality that you get from something like that. Now, they don't just make windows, and they make windows in two product lines, right, that mesh together. They also make some pretty cool doors. I won't go down there and show it to you now, and I'm gonna make a separate video just on their doors. I'll do that for you real soon. But you see down there that door is a really good pair for what we're doing over here with these windows. So if you're looking to build a house or you're looking to remodel a house and you also need a front door or a back door or something, they've got you covered. They've got all of these options. One other thing I wanted you to see is this is their sliding door. So they also make a sliding door that can pair well with all their other products. I don't happen to have any grids on this one, but we can also get the same grid patterns like you see on your windows. So all of this can match real well. You have a lot of different hardware options. You can go anywhere from a very contemporary style door, which you can see this is contemporary because it has a real low kick plate, to a standard type door that's going to have more like a 9 to 10 inch kick plate. So the function's terrific. The durability is awesome. The quality, the workmanship, what they do is incredible. But then to think that on top of that, you get all of these options, right? I want this kind of grid, or I want this to be a little more contemporary, or I want this to be a little more traditional. So that's what we're all about, right? That's why Houston Window Expert sells over a dozen brands of windows, because what works for one house doesn't mean it's going to work for another. What works for one budget doesn't mean it's going to work for another. And as I've told you before, right, the most important part, I think, of any window project is not just the window you pick, but the window company you pick in order to do the work for you. Great video on that right up here. So, professional installation, professional grade products, means you're smiling, you're happy, and this was the most delightful home improvement experience you've ever had. And that's our goal for you. Hey, if you live in the Houston area, come by and see us. If you're not in Houston and you'd like to know more about where we can help you find a great window dealer near you, don't forget jeffslist.com. Have a great day.